wanna reverse park your car, this is how you do it. Step 1, 3-point check. 1, 2, 3, indicate. And then step 2, we're gonna put into reverse. And then you do a 5-point check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got to balance, and then handbrake down, and then we're checking for the second pole. We're reversing until it aligns with your shoulder, and then a full turn to the right, and then we're gonna check the other mirror until the 3 poles come out. Alright, we see all the poles. Put the wheel straight. Continue reversing. Check your mirrors.
Great video. Thank you so much, my beautiful sister, for sharing that. We needed to see more videos like this, practicals. And I must give credit to the driving school, Fredo's driving school, for being transparent. And I also appreciate the fact that they are not playing music. When a video is clean like this, we can use it on YouTube to avoid music copyright. And I'm happy because what I've been doing online and what I'm doing online is growing, because I see more driving schools going digital, which is something that I've been trying to, speak with a lot of driving schools. When I was just giving them free advertising, many didn't understand what I was saying, and many preferred word of mouth. Word of mouth can only take you this far, but digital spaces will take you beyond your imagination. You will get clients who are not even in your area. You will get clients who are in other provinces, and others will travel to your workspace so that they can be taught by you simply because of they love what you are doing. And I'm happy because many driving schools now, they are open to share. Many were creating videos, but they were not even sharing information so that people will know which pole to look for, when to turn the steering wheel, when to lock the steering wheel, when to do 90 degrees, when to do 45, when to straighten up your wheels. They were not sharing this type of information. And for all my Code 8 subscribers, this video is for you. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. And I wish one day I will work with this driving school so that I can go there and give you a lot of practicals. And if they will see this video, I will appreciate if I see a comment from them. I will be very happy to go and work with them, and I will send them a message. Hopefully we will work together so I can do free advertising for them. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. Thank you.